If you're considering Sales Tax DataLINK for managing your sales tax needs, here are 12 things you absolutely need to know before you buy so you can make an informed decision. We'll be comparing this software to others in the market, so stick around to see how it stacks up. First off, Sales Tax DataLINK is designed for businesses looking to simplify their sales tax calculations. It offers automated filing and remittance for sales tax, but compared to other options like Avalara or TaxJar, its user interface can feel a bit dated. While it gets the job done, it may not be as intuitive as some competitors. Next thing, its pricing structure. Unlike some competitors, Sales Tax DataLINK doesn't have a subscription fee based on the volume of transactions, which can be appealing for smaller businesses. However, the cost of setting it up might be a bit steep for startups or companies with limited budgets. The third thing to note is the range of integrations. It supports a variety of e-commerce platforms, including Shopify, WooCommerce, and Magento. But when compared to services like Avalara, which has an even broader list of integrations, DataLINK might fall short for businesses that need to connect to more niche platforms. Next thing is the reporting capabilities. DataLINK offers customizable reports, but they can be more complex to navigate compared to something like TaxJar, which has a more user-friendly reporting system. If you're someone who needs quick insights with minimal effort, you might find other solutions more convenient. The fifth thing is its accuracy. DataLINK is known for its reliable sales tax calculations, but as with any tax software, it's crucial to double-check for regional exceptions. Avalara, for example, tends to have more up-to-date jurisdiction information, which can make a big difference if your business operates in multiple states or countries. Next thing, let's talk about automation. DataLINK automates sales tax filing, but some competitors, like TaxJar, have a more robust automation system, including automatic updates for tax rate changes, which is something you won't get out of the box with DataLINK. The seventh thing is the customer support. Sales Tax DataLINK offers support, but when compared to larger competitors, their response times can be slower. If you're someone who relies on instant support, you might be better off with a service that offers 24/7 live chat. The eighth thing is ease of use. The platform can feel a bit clunky at times, especially for businesses without an in-house accountant. TaxJar and Avalara, on the other hand, prioritize user experience and tend to be more approachable for non-tax professionals. The ninth thing to mention is security. Sales Tax DataLINK has solid security measures, but if you're comparing it to industry leaders like Avalara, you might find that their multi-layered security options are a bit more advanced, which could offer peace of mind for high-volume merchants. The 10th thing to keep in mind is that Sales Tax DataLINK is mainly aimed at U.S. businesses. While it covers most states well, if you're running an international business, you might want to look at something with a more global reach, like Avalara, which covers over 100 countries. Next, let's talk about its scalability. DataLINK works well for small to medium-sized businesses, but as you grow, you might find that it doesn't offer as many features for enterprise-level companies. If you're scaling fast, you might prefer a competitor that's better equipped for large-scale operations. The 12th thing is overall flexibility. While DataLINK is good for businesses looking for basic tax solutions, it's not as customizable as some of its competitors. If you have specific needs or are in a niche industry, something like Avalara or TaxJar might offer better options for tailoring the software to your business. So, is Sales Tax DataLINK a good option? Yes, it's a solid choice for small businesses looking for simple, no-frills sales tax software. But if you're looking for a more comprehensive, user-friendly, and scalable solution, we recommend trying a more robust platform. In fact, you can check out our recommended solution for free to see how it compares.